So I got this 2010 Hyundai Accent 2-door manual transmission. It's a 4-cylinder for a mobile mechanic, and it is a very small car. It gets 35 miles a gallon, and I paid $1,200 for it, and I got a couple tires with it. So far, what I had to do is I had to put new tie rod end on the driver's side, and I took out the front seat so I could get more room, put some of my tools in there. It has a hatchback, so I got my special tools like a slide hammer, bearing pullers, front hub pullers, brake stuff, drain pan, torch, brake flare kit, brake press, axle nut sockets. And instead of carrying my toolbox I have in my truck, I got this from AutoZone, and it has all the sizes that you need, up to I think 24. This goes to 27, 24, 22, 21. Yeah, you basically can fix anything with that. And put some of the extra wrenches up there. So the back's pretty full. I might have to like take stuff out, put stuff in, but I'm saving probably, I think, $450 a month if this thing lasts. So it's like almost $7,000 a year. So put my jack in the front. I got my big wrenches here, scan tool, some lighters, windshield wiper puller, fuel line thing, yeah, and siphon, fluids, put in this bucket. Right here, I got my hammers. You got torque your wheels, torque wrench, things to get those Christmas tree things out, pry bar, funnels, little bottle jack, big pry bar. In here I have all my pliers and screwdrivers. It's stacked full, so it's gonna be fun finding that, but even in my toolbox, I just threw it all in there anyways. You can usually find them pretty easily. In that box back here, I have my electrical stuff, and I have a little ratchet wrench set from, you got that from Cornwell. It's like 300 bucks. Jack stand, my power probe, battery tester thing. This is pretty cool. This is a waterless hand cleaner, and just put it on your hand. It's diluted, but it's very effective, where it does get your hands pretty clean. And let's see, a fuel line pressure test set. So some swivel heads. So I'm sure kind of running bare bones, but this is enough to get 90% of the jobs done. I'm getting 35 miles a gallon. If I need something, I could go back to my shop, which is a storage unit, and grab it, or just go buy whatever part I need. So yeah, I'll see how this does. It's definitely a beater car, but there's not much rust on it. Underneath, for Michigan, where I live, this is nothing. Like, this thing is beautiful underneath. You can get a motor for this for 2,500 bucks, a brand new remanufactured motor and a transmission. Even if I slapped a motor and transmission in this, still be saving money over that gas guzzling Silverado that I drive. So I'll probably run both of these.